Hey Rainbows bro. Wanna go get some lunch?
Sure. How about Burger King?
Alright. Now let's get going. But who'll watch the controls while we're gone?
I dunno. I guess we'll just figure it out later. Anyways, let's go.
Oh good. There's no one even here at the reception desk. There should be a directory there somewhere. Aha! I found it. Now let's see. The control room's on the top floor. Now it's time to call the elevator. Oh dude, come on. Why the hell is it taking really long?
15 minutes later.
Why in the hell's name is taking extremely long? This is by far like the longest time I've waited for an elevator to show up. Bah, about time. Moronic elevator. Oh shoot. Now the elevator indicator's going insane. And I don't even know which floor I'm currently on. This elevator definitely has serious issues. And it's also moving really slowly. No wonder why did it took so long to arrive. Why the heck does it say I'm on the bottom floor for a sudden? Whatever. I'm now on the top floor anyways. Oh wow, there's really many buttons and screens. This seems certainly sophisticated. Okay, let's see. It says here that I have to push the red button to activate the AEA, which is short for Alberta Emergency Alert. Well duh, obviously. Well, you cannot just instantly push the button, you have to type out the message first. How in the world am I supposed to type out my message? There are just 8 buttons here besides the big red button. This is gonna take forever.
Almost an hour of typing later.
Oh yeah. I finally did it. And now, time to scare the living shit out of Edmonton.
I now feel like watching some TV.
This is GoTV. Serving the province of on many different channels, including Edmonton on Channel 6, and on cable channel 18.
Our next program will begin shortly. So stay tuned.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment Canada has issued a tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Edmonton, St. Alberta, Clinic, Raskillen, Edson, Beaumont, and Nisku. For the affected areas, we advise that you must take the following actions. Make sure you have a basement or some type of shelter. If you have a shelter, go there now. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio with you. Radio stations in your area will be broadcasting further information and instructions about this alert during your shelter time. Do not go outside. If you happen to be outside at the time of this warning, find a sturdy building with shelter. Local arthritis will tell you when it is safe to leave. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use only. For more information, visit worldwideweb.emergencyalert.alberta.cat. Stay tuned to local media.
Oh my gosh. I have to get down to my basement.
Ha 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 ha. I literally cannot wait to watch the looks on everyone's scaredy faces. Now I better scamper out of here before someone busts me.
Wheel bro. Were you the culprit who falsely activated the Alberta emergency alert?
Oopsies. It appears that I spoke too soon. Alright guys. You finally caught me red-handed. I was the one who falsely activated the AEA.
Wheelbro. I cannot believe that you would do such a thing like that. You've literally put the whole city and almost half a province into a panic. I'm now calling your dad. Hello. Is this Daniel? Good. Wheelbro falsely activated the AEA and put the half province into a panic. Can you please pick him up? He's at the Go TV studios. Thanks. Bye-bye.
When Weber got home.
No. Wheelbarrow. How freaking dare you falsely activate the Alberta emergency alert? That does it. You are grounded for 11 months. Go to bed right now, or else I'll send you to Liechtenstein.
I really hate you, Dad. I'm in a fire here.
And don't you ever insult me like that either. That tears it, mister. You are now grounded even longer.